So, nung may namatay na, na-convert na yun, problema sila kung saan. At kasunod noon, may namatay na 4 na they died by accident. At nasundan yung unang convert nila, kaya yung ano nung 4 na mantre kasi problema nila kung saan yun. So they began to scout this area at ito yung pwede nila gawin sa ang cemetery kasi ito medyo historical. So nagkataon na ito yung madadaanan papunta doon sa hangin kasi before the American came and before Christianity and whatever foreigners that came to the Philippines, may traditional belief na sila. But when the Anglican came, kasi yung church na hindi po siya Catholic, isang Anglican, though in the form of Mass, may pagka-similarity. Pero hindi naman masyadong maraming religion. So, we began to scout this area at may namatay na pari, so we began to divide this. Ito po yung pari at saka madre. This area. Sa Bandaron naman ay yung veterans tomb. If you're aware of the
another vlog. Ay, meron doon massage te.
Mostly ang nakasabit dyan ay elders. Ang elder kasi kailangan may asawa, may apo, at alam niya din yung mga rituals ng sagada.